Hello friends, in this video I will show how to connect your laptop with Wi-Fi. So here guys, in this right side bottom corner you will see this globe icon. Click on it one time. Here click on this drop down, right down, so you will see available networks. So here guys, you will see all available networks. Click on it, then click on connect. If it will ask password, so enter the password. Then click on next. So as we can see now, network is connected. Open any browser and search. So it will work. So thanks for watching. This is the basic video to learn new technology and basic and easy technology. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.